It's all about nature. That's the thing we try to bring into Bamford, be as natural as possible. Well, I started off, as you know, with organic food, and that was my prime concern. And then I started thinking, well, I'm really careful about what I eat, but I should really be careful about what I put on my skin. So I looked at a collection for the skin, and we call it Bamford Bath and Body. The smell's inspired by the garden again. I love scented geranium. We use a lot of lavender, rosemary, which is wonderfully aromatic and very relaxing. And it's as natural as possible. I get inspiration from nature. If you wear very natural colours, you feel natural. And then we talk about shapes that will be comfortable. Things should feel soft and good to touch. The collection is really a small capsule that will be very suitable for customers that travel a lot, that want to be comfortable but still luxurious. Whatever we do, we must have a conscience about. We must have a conscience how we shop and what we wear. I believe you are what you eat, and equally you are what you put on your skin. The Bath and Body collection began life at the Hay Barn. Natural organic products, free from chemicals, are used by our expert practitioners for wonderful treatments. This is a place for meditation, yoga, Pilates, and complete relaxation, perhaps with a herbal tea or a cold-pressed juice. We all have very little time for ourselves, and it's important to take time and to nurture and nourish ourselves in a holistic way.